Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. Today we are going to discuss about active and passive voice. In my previous video already we have discussed about the tense and the modal verbs. Those who have not seen my previous video of tense and modal verbs, just you watch the previous video. And in this video we are going to discuss about our let sentences. Passive of let. This table will make you to understand if there is any sentence is written, so you can find out that sentence belongs to which tense and how to change from active to passive voice. There is rule is written already. I told you about this table in my previous video, but you see one more time, this table will make you to understand in a better way. Let is used in tense also and the modal verbs also and imperative sentence also. Today we are going to discuss use of let in tense and modal verbs. Imperative sentence afterward we will see in next video. Let we will see first sentence. He lets me go to school. It is a present indefinite sentence because here verb first form and there is a s. Okay. While from active to passive, we have to use ismr here. So me is written there. So we will use here I. Then with the I we use am. So our passive voice will come I am let go to school. Why? Him. That he will come as a him here. Understood? Maybe you are thinking that here is written go. Why I didn't change go into gone? This let is considered here as a verb first form, then I change here let as a verb third form here. Okay, let I will show you a table, then you will better understand use of let in active voice. Here use of let in active voice, present tense, here that let and the let's use, past tense let is used here also. Let is a verb first form let, second form let, third form let, same spelling is there. Understood? No? See that the ing form that let is used. Then here verb third form in present perfect has have let is used here as a verb third form. Past perfect had let is used here also verb third form. Okay, in the downside also. Clear? Okay, we will see next sentence here. I did not let her read the letter. This sentence is a past indefinite because here we use interrogative or negative, we use did. So here that did is there, it is a negative sentence. While from active to passive we use was and were. So here that her is used here, so we will use here she. With the she we have to use was. So she was not let read the letter by me. That I is here, so that me will come here. Okay, here that let is used here as a verb third form. Clear? We will see next sentence. Why do you not let her come office? It is a present indefinite. I told you that here interrogative or negative we use do or does. So here that it is a both it is interrogative also this sentence and negative also. So here do is used here. So it is a present indefinite. While from active to passive we use ismr. So here that y is written. So we will also write down here in the passive y. Then here her is used. So we will use here she. Okay. Then with the she we have to use here is. Then our sentence will come. Passive voice will come. Why is she not let come office by you? Clear? We will see next sentence. She had let you attend the class that day. So here this sentence is a past perfect because there had is used and the verb third form let is used as a verb third form here. So here from active to passive we use had been. So here you used here in the beginning. Then you had been let attend the class that day by her. Then she will come as a here by her. Clear? We will see next sentence. This sentence, in this sentence, that modal verb is used here. In my previous video, already I taught you about the modal verbs. If there is a modal verbs and let is used here as a verb first form, then here while changing from active to passive, we will use modal verb then be. Okay, so here him will come as a he here, then he must be let is a in passive voice, it is a verb third form. Let go to market by him, that he will change into him. Let I will show you a table, then you will better understand. Here if there is a can, could, shall, should, then verb first form. In active voice I am telling about. In active voice is modal verbs plus verb first form. Then in the passive we will use we. And here downside, could have, should have, must have, would have. Afterward in the active voice there is a verb third form. Then in the passive voice we will use been. I hope it is clear. Then we will see next sentence. Here, I should not have let you play cricket all the time. See that here the modal verb is used. Then here have, let is used here as a verb third form. So I told you that modal verb plus have plus been we will use in the passive voice. Then here been will come. So here that our passive voice will come. You should not have been let play cricket all the time by me. Okay, see that the table also one more time just you see. Okay, here that should have, could have, these here use. Then verb third form, then we will use in the passive been. Next sentence we will see. My brother never let me visit the zoo. It is a past indefinite because here this let is used here as a verb second form. Okay, so here in passive voice we will use was and were. So here that me will use here as I. With the I we use was. I was never let visit the zoo. Why? My brother. Confirm? Then here next sentence we will see. How often do I let him go to park? It is used here as a, this sentence is present indefinite. Here is the interrogative sentence it is. Then here do is used, so we can understand it is a present indefinite. While from active to passive we use is MR. Okay, so here how often, then we will use here how often. Then here him is used here, then we will use here he. Then with the he we have to use is. Then our sentence of passive voice will come. How often is he let go to park by me? Okay, this I will use as a me here. Clear? Next sentence we will see. She has let me attend the function that day. So it is a, this sentence is a present perfect tense. Okay, because in the present perfect tense we use has and have. So there is a has and the verb third form is there. So we can easily understand it is a present perfect tense. Then from active to passive we use has, have plus been. So here that me is written, then we will use here I. Then with the I we have to use have been let attend the function that day by her. She will use here as a her. Okay, we will see next and the last sentence here. You should let her come. This also as a modal verb. Here is this sentence is used. Here is a modal verb, and afterward there is an active voice. That this it is a let is used here as a verb first form. Already I told you. Okay, in that table that if there is a modal verb and verb first form, then modal verb, then here we will use be in the passive voice. Okay, so here our sentence will come that her will use here as a she should be let come by you. Okay, clear? Then here is some work for you. You have to change the following sentences. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. If there is any problem, then comment downside. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel so you will get latest notification. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next class.